Da Nang. It's been a blast. Loved it. Loved Da Nang. Loved Hanoi. And now I'm on my way to Saigon. Can't say I'm looking forward to today. Because I've got 20 hours on a train with 5 other men in a bedroom. So can't say I'm looking forward to it. But once I'm in Saigon, a couple of days in Saigon before I go through to Cambodia. Well, that seems quite straightforward because it's only a relatively small station. It's 9 o'clock. I've got to go back at about 10:30. So in the meantime, I've got about an hour and a half to spare, which I don't mind at all, apart from I've got Warwick on my back. So I could have a wander, maybe go and get a coffee somewhere. Yeah, because God, I will come back to Vietnam tomorrow. I'm going to film this for Prison because he's a proper geek when it comes to trains. In Prison, he'll probably know exactly what this is. It's probably what I'll be getting on later on. There you are, Prison. What's that then? A 005963 gauge, is it? I bet you've not seen one of them, have you, before? Enough of that shite. So, right, okay. As soon as I look out there, I can see a coffee bar. I'm gonna need some sort of sustenance for this 20-hour train journey. As usual, let's try and cross the road. This is the pavement. That's the pavement. So now you got to go on this road. Oh, come on. Hello. No, thank you. Go. I bollocks want to live. Thank you very much. Very kind of you, but asking me to jump on the back of that thing? I don't think so. Probably wanted to take me away and bum me. If you know the answer to this question, will you leave it in the comments? Why, in Vietnam, have they got tiny tables and tiny chairs? You go for a coffee and it's like being sat in primary school. I'd love to know the answer to that question. I can't see that being a very popular business over here, to be honest. That would do a fortune in Scarborough. I'm going to be so ill. I'm going to be so ill after this. He's not washed his hands, he's not wearing gloves. This is like getting a sandwich in Rockies in Scarborough. Oh, what shit's he putting on? Oh, I'm going to be so ill. This is a bad of me. He's making me in the back of the shed. What the chuffing hell is this? Oh, what is this? 10A, number 6 I need. 10. So this is safe. You walk along the path, along the track. Coach 6, Coach 9. Yeah, I feel really safe. Oh look. Oh. Oh, you're having a laugh. Hello. Oh. Thank you. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, look. You stare at this.
Con thấy đây nè. Ba lum cháu đây nè.
It's really hard getting through the Warwick. $27 middle in here. Hey. C27. I can't fucking turn around. Is that one there? I think this is mine. Hello. I think this is mine, I think. No, I can't do this. Well, I don't know if that filming's come out clear, but there is no way am I spending 20 hours on a train on a middle bunk like that. Not in a million fucking years. There's third class travel and third class travel. That's beneath third class travel. Nobody travels on trains like that in a million years. So I'm going to have a coffee and work out how to get to Shanghai, because I ain't getting on that train. Not at, well, I've been on it and straight off it again. Bollocks to that. My advice, wherever you're travelling in the world, doesn't matter where you are, always find a McDonald's. Not for the food, but find a McDonald's, because number one, the toilets will be clean. Number two, it'll be a human toilet. Number three, you've got free Wi-Fi. Number four, you've got decent coffee. Number five, you can sit down and get your head clear, because there is no way. I know I'm doing this rough and I've been staying in one-star hotels and I've had some dodgy transport like that bus, but there is no way on the face of this earth am I getting on that train with 5 other people on a middle shelf for 21 hours. That's not going to happen. So now I've come to McDonald's, got the free Wi-Fi, spoken to Tony Pycroft at Asia Ventura, and hopefully we'll have got alternative transport sorted. I've just looked at the footage of the train, and I'm really sorry I didn't get the inside of that sleeper cabin. I wish I had. I really wish I had. But I was just that. I just had to get off that train because I didn't want the train to set off while I was still on board. Basically, it was 3 fellas on the right hand side, a lady
underneath and a lady on top, and I was in the middle, which sounded lovely. But the beds you couldn't turn around in the bed. It stunk. Everything was dirty. Everything was mucky. There's no way could I have laid on that middle shelf for 21 hours. I mean, I've done it like on the other trains, you know, the Doggo Express. I even did it in what the Vietnamese call the flying coffin, which is that bus. I could handle that, but in really confined space with 5 other people, I just could not do it. So, Tony Pycroft, Ace Ventura, I don't know whether it's a better alternative or not. I'm getting the bus. But the bus is quicker than the train. That's how bad that train was. That is how bad that train was. The bus is quicker, only by about 4 or 5 hours. But that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get the bus. It's just going to get the time sorted out for me. In the meantime, oh God. So I've given in while I'm in McDonald's. So I'm going to have something to eat. I'm starving. McDonald's over here do fried chicken. So I got a massive piece of fried chicken here, another piece of fried chicken here, and a strawberry yoghurt, which I'm just waiting for. £3. And the chicken, McDonald's fried chicken leaves KFC standing. KFC is disgusting. This proper crispy skin that you can taste. Like you used to be able to taste KFC. Now KFC is just chicken with flour on. That is absolutely gorgeous. Why haven't we got McDonald's like this in the UK? This is just on a different level. That's a strawberry yoghurt. Still getting my way through that. Chicken. Why don't we have these in the UK? Unbelievable. I've got brain freeze now. Oh, I've got brain freeze. What is this? What am I on now? What form of transport is this? What in the living name of Jesus am I on now? I love Vietnam. I absolutely adore Vietnam. But you can shove your transport up your arse. At least there's some lovely flowers. I've got to pull some sort of a positive. Although I am finding it rather tricky at this moment in time to find a positive. The only positive are those flowers. And you just feel so vulnerable up here. It's like, it's a good job I'm slim. Look how far it is down there, love. You fell out of it, didn't it? constant beeping the bloody horn. Oh, sure up, baby, that pig it home.
Mai mất 26, mai mất 27 một bạn.
That home has been constantly like this.
It's times like this when you need a hat.
Mua con heo. Heo là cái hộp mình nấu với. Đồ có chè uống lớn. Đây nào ăn có chè.
He's actually got a fag in his hand. Well, that was another pleasant bus journey. I got off early. I don't know if I just jumped in a cab because it's like the last 20 miles. I don't enough for that bus. So I jumped in a cab. £3.80 to drive 20 miles in a taxi. So we're now on our way to the hotel. I've got to show you this. This is in downstairs in the hotel that I'm staying in. So I'm just checking into my room now. This is part of the hotel. How cool's that? So I'll show you what £15 a night gets you in Saigon. First of all, yeah, a little mini bar, which isn't bad. Which, if you drank everything out of that mini bar, it'd probably cost about £5, if that. Kettle, you need a kettle. Coffee, bed, telly. That I've never ever had telly on. I've just downloaded loads of Brassic. Wardrobe. Now, the bathroom. Listen. While this door's open. That is a tad noisy. Shower's not bad, it's alright. Got an house washer. Just had a shower. So that's 15 quid. 15 quid a night. I'm sorry, but 15 quid a night, you can't go wrong, can you really? But the noise, well, again, the noise I'm not too bothered about, to be honest, because I've got my earphones, so I listen to music and then I fall asleep. So I've had a shit shower and a shave. I'm going to have a look downstairs. And the hotel is weird. The hotel is above a fresh seafood restaurant. Now, those people who know me know that seafood is my favourite food of all times, of all time. So I'm quite happy, but I'm going to have a wander up and down the road here because it's been a bit of a moany video, this one. And I'm sorry for moaning, but if you were in my position, you would have moaned as well. And again, with the help of Tony Pycroft and Asia Ventura, they got me out of a hole. So I will be forever grateful. So, and I'm annoyed I haven't brought any aftershave with me either, because I've only got expensive aftershave and I didn't want to be emptying it out, you know what I mean, and losing it. And anyway, hey ho. So I'm going to go downstairs, have a look at the restaurant, have a look outside. Tomorrow I've got a day off. Tomorrow I'm just going to have a meander around Saigon. I've got to go and find some American dollars, because to get the visa to get over to Cambodia, you've got to tip them, allegedly, $50 to get a visa. But that before. Right, okie dokie. I love you and I'll leave you. And I'll catch you in a bit. Bye. Well, this is a bit lively. Oh, I'm showing my age now. I'm proper showing my age now. Jesus Christ. It's like Benidorm. Oh, am I getting really old? Oh shit, I'm tripping up now. Seafood. Oh, there's just seafood everywhere. Oh, it's just crabs and lobsters. I know somebody who would love all this seafood. Nearly everyone is seafood. I feel a Jack Daniels coming on, I've got to admit. Maybe it's the music, maybe it's the atmosphere, but I feel a bit of a Jack Daniels coming on. I'm just going to stay on this street. If I don't get run over, I'm going to stay on this street, I think. Yeah. I haven't had a proper drink since I've been here, really. I had like a few pints of beer the other night. Well, that was about it. Oh, ice cream. So this is the street I'm staying on. It's like Benidorm Street. You see, I want a bar, but I don't want a bar where there's grozzies. I'm tempted. See, this is where I'm staying. This is my hotel. Believe it or not, that is my hotel. Hey mate, that's where I'm staying. Hello. Oh, and that's what I can hear from my bathroom. This really is Benidorm, this. It really is. I'm not knocking it, absolutely not knocking it whatsoever. I just find it a little bit young for me. So I saw a bar back up there with some nice comfortable chairs. Oh well. Here we go, this is from our gay posses in Blackpool. All my Gaylord friends. Hang on. There you go, Rio, Gregor, and all my Gaylord friends in Blackpool. Right. Back up here to a bar that I saw that had comfortable seats outside, and it was a little bit quieter, so I'll see you back there.
Okay, so I've gone full on professional. I'll put a microphone on because I know it's really loud. Thank you. I know it's really loud out here. I'm in the seafood restaurant, which is beneath my hotel. My hotel is above here. I've just had 15 Jack Daniels at that bar I was in earlier on, and it cost me 20 quid for 15 Jack Daniels. Oh, they're picking me lobster out that tank. I don't want to watch. Oh, I can't watch that. I've ordered lobster and some prawns, and it's just gone over to that tank now and picked me lobster out. I can't, oh man, I feel really shit now. Seriously. Oh, that's really shit. So that's what I've ordered. I've ordered some big prawns and a lobster. The stuff they've got in here, because it is literally coming from the tank onto my plate, like it did the other night when I went out with Remy, the local guide. I know somebody who would love it in here. Absolutely love it. So, I've got another Jack Daniels. I don't want to eat this because I've just killed a lobster. Right, well, I'm going to have this, enjoy it, and I'll speak to you in a bit.
So I have got prawns with garlic and chilli to start off with. Let's see what these bad boys are like. So now I'm going for the lobster. Those prawns were just unbelievable. I'm genuinely dreading how much this is going to be. Seriously. Lobster, 8 prawns. I'm genuinely bothered. There is the reception to my hotel. That's the reception. And this is where I'm sitting. That was incredible. That was so nice. Seriously, I have had some seafood in my life. I've had seafood from all over the world. But that, I am at the Rice Hotel in Saigon. That was the most incredible seafood I've ever eaten. Well done, Rice Hotel. And I'm back in the room. Hey, happy days. Look at this. Look what I got. What they gave me because they knew I was a YouTuber. A content creator. Because I thought I was really famous because I was walking around with a camera. And I thought I was a YouTuber, content creator. I got a free hat. It's a bit small. But everything's small in Vietnam. Look, I got a free hat. Because I thought I was a YouTubing, content creating knobhead. Anyway, seriously though, that cost me for a full lobster, 8 of those prawns, and a large Jack Daniels. That cost me 25 quid. You would pay in the UK easily 50 quid for that lobster because it was a full lobster. Easy. You're talking with those prawns, the Jack Daniels and the lobster in the UK 100 quid. Easy. Absolutely easy. But I did feel guilty though. I really did feel guilty because I saw him grab the lobster and bugger off with it. I did feel a bit guilty, I must admit. Right, so I'm going to try now and upload this video. Like I say, sorry if I was moaning earlier on, but I had reason to. What do I think of Saigon? It's a bit Benny me, I must admit. Maybe that's just my age. Maybe it's my age. But it's brilliant. The people are still just as wonderful as they were in Hanoi and Da Nang. They are so nice, these Vietnamese people. They are so nice. So anyway, I'm pleased. I've got a hat, Vietnam on, and Biavetti on there. Do I look a bit retarded with that on? I hope not. Anyway, like, subscribe, do the bell thing as much as you possibly can. Tomorrow, I'm having a day off tomorrow, so I might do a little bit of vlogging. I don't know whether there's anything interesting to do. I'll have a look on Klook and see if there's anything interesting to do. Right, I'm going to try and upload this shite. Thank you. Can you hear that? That's all I can hear in my room. So, what I'm going to do, because it's only young people enjoying themselves, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go downstairs and have another fucking lobster.